This is Ayala Mall, Marquee, Transport Terminal. This is jeepney going to the Angeles, Pandakachi, Magalan, Karayat. Also to Manila you can take bus. Another side I will show. To Davao also. This is Arayat, Magalan. SM Pampanga. We also go to San Fernando. To SM Pampanga. And this side, here waiting bus. It's bus to Manila, to Cubao. This is waiting place, bus station to Cubao. Good time. Transport. It's same bus station, same like Dow bus station, only small. This is 5 stars, Victory liners. It's different buses. And now I will go to Marquee Mall. I will use this bridge. Marquee Mall Transport Terminal exit. So going to bridge.